Hello friends, my name is Shubhadeep Das. I was teaching you the chapter quadratic equations with one variable from the book Ganit Prakash of class 10 West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. I was solving the questions from Let Us Work Out 1.4 and I have completed up to question number 7 of question number Roman 7 of 2. So today I am going to start from Roman 8 of question number 2. So let us first copy the question in our so let us first copy the question number Roman 8 of 2. So we have to solve this equation by using Sridhar Acharya's formula. So the value of x So if we divide the numerator and the denominator by 10, we get so the two roots are, or the values of x are and So this is our answer. Now friends, let us proceed to our next question, that is Roman 9 of question number 2. Question number Roman 9 is 4x square minus 2 whole square plus 6s equal to 25. So let us copy it. So let us first simplify this to get it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So this is minus 16x, this is plus 6x. It gives us minus 10x. And if we take 25 to the left side, it becomes minus 25. So now if we apply Sridhar Acharya's formula, we get minus b, that is minus of minus 10 plus minus root over b square minus 4ac So this is the root of 38. So if we take plus, if we take minus, so 3/2 and minus 7/2. Minus 7/8. These are our required values of x. Now let us proceed to question number 3. It says let us express the following mathematical problems in the form of quadratic equations with one variable and solve them by applying Sridhar Acharya's formula or with the help of factorization. Okay, question number 1. Sathi has drawn a right angle triangle whose length of hypotenuse is 6 centimeter, more than the twice of the shortest side. If the length of the third side is 2 centimeter less than the length of the hypotenuse, then by calculating let us write the lengths of the three sides of the right angle triangle drawn by Sathi. Okay. So this is our question. It says there is a right angle triangle ABC whose shortest side, let us say it is x centimeter, and its hypotenuse is 6 centimeter more than twice the length of the shortest side. So this is the value of hypotenuse, and the other side is 2 centimeter less than the hypotenuse. So these are the values of three sides. So this is equal to 2x plus 4 centimeter actually. Okay, so these are the three sides. Now we have to form a quadratic equation with one variable. So by applying Pythagoras' theorem, perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. So we can cancel 2x square from both these sides. From both of the sides. So we can cancel 2x square from both sides of the equation. So if we take plus, it becomes 20 by 2, that is 10, and if we take minus, it becomes minus 4 by 2, that is minus 2. So these are the two values of x. Then we have to find out the lengths of three sides of the right angle triangle. Okay, so minus 2 cannot be the length of a side, so we have to take 10 plus 10. Therefore the sides of the triangle are 10 centimeter, 26 centimeter and 24 centimeter. Okay, now let us proceed to our next question. Question number Roman 2 says, if a two-digit positive number is multiplied by its unit digit, then the product is 189, and if the tens digit is twice the units digit, then let us calculate the unit digit. Okay, so let us read it again. If a two-digit positive number is multiplied by its unit digit, okay, then the product is 189, and if the tens digit is twice the units digit, then let us calculate the units digit. Okay, let the two-digit positive number be x 2x. This is how the number looks like. For example, we can write 84. So the units digit is so the tens digit is twice the units digit. This is what the question says. Yes, so so the digit in tens place is twice the digit placed in ones place or units place. So this is how the number looks like. Now the place value of this number (2x into 10), because 2x is placed at tens place, plus x into 1 because x is placed at ones place. So this is our place value. Now the question says, if we multiply this number, that means 20x plus x. If we multiply this number by the digit placed in units place, it gives us 189. Therefore, according to the question, now so x square is 9 or x equal to plus minus 3. So these are the two values of x. Therefore, the number is if we take plus 3, then the number is 63. Okay, we cannot take minus 3 because we have a positive number. Okay, so the number should be 63. Now friends, let us proceed to question number Roman 3. The speed of Salma is 1 meter per second more than the speed of Onik. In a 180 meter race, Salma reaches 2 seconds before Onik. The speed of Salma is 1 meter per second more than the speed of Onik. Okay, in a 180 meter race, Salma reaches 2 seconds before Onik. Okay, let us write by calculating the speed of Onik in meter per second. So these are the given information, and we can write, therefore time taken by onic distance by speed is time. So speed of onic, so this is the time taken by onic in second, and time taken by Salma equal to distance by speed. Now the difference of these two times is 2 seconds, because Salma takes 2 seconds less than onic. Therefore so this is our equation. Now let us take 180 common. Okay, the LCM is the product of these two quantities. So this is x square plus x. Now here either we can apply Sridhar Acharya's formula or we can apply middle term factorization. So let us do it by middle term factorization. So the value of x is 9. So the speed of Onyx is 9 meter per second. Okay. Now let us proceed to our next question, that is question number Roman 4. Roman 4 says there is a square park in our locality. The area of a rectangular park is 78 square meter. The area of a rectangular park is 78 square meter, less than the twice of the area of the square shaped park, whose length is 5 meter more than the length of the side of the park. Okay, let us read it again. There is a square park in our locality. The area of a rectangular park is 78 square meter, less than the twice of the area of the square shaped park, whose length is 5 meter more than the length of the side of the park, and breadth is 3 meter less than the length of the side of the park. So let us try to do it. Question number Roman 4. So let us assume the side of the square park is x. Okay. So and the question also says, okay, so according to our question, if we assume the length of the side of the square park is x, then its area is x square, and the question says the length of the rectangular park is 5 meter more than the length of the side of the square park. So it is x plus 5. Similarly, it is x minus 3. The breadth is x minus 3. And the question says the area of the rectangular park is 78 square meter less than the area of the then twice the area of the square park. Okay, that means this. The area of the rectangular park is 78 square meter less than twice the area of the square park. Okay, so this is our area, and we also know that area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So x plus 5 into x minus 3, this should also be the area of the rectangle. That means these two areas are same. That is why we can equate it. or if we take these quantities to the right side, two x square minus x square, this is x square, okay, minus 2x minus 78 plus 15, that means so this is our quadratic equation. Now you have to solve it. As we okay, let us do it by middle term factorization. Therefore x equal to 9 or minus 7, x equal to 9 or minus 7. Now the question says find the length of the side of the square shaped arc. So the length of the side of the square shaped arc should be 9 meter. Okay, so the length of the side of the square shaped arc should be 9 meter. This is our answer. Now let us proceed to our next question. Now let us proceed to our next question, that is question number 5. In our village, Proloy Babu bought 350 chili plants for planting in his rectangular land. When he put the plants in rows, he noticed that if he would put 24 more plants than the number of rows in each row, than the number of what? Now let us read question number 5. It says, in our village, Proloy Babu bought 350 chili plants for planting in his rectangular land. When he put the plants in rows, he noticed if he would put 24 more plants than the number of rows in each row, 10 plants would remain excess. Let us write by calculating the number of rows. Okay. So the number of rows is the breadth of the rectangle, and the number of plants in each row is x plus 24. This is our length. So length into breadth is the area. So length is x plus 24 and the breadth is x, which is equal to 350, because 350 number of plants occupy this area. So this area is equal to 350. sorry, this area is actually equal to 350 minus 10, because 10 plants remain excess. Okay, those plants are not planted in that rectangular garden, that is why they do not occupy the area. So you have to actually subtract 10 from 350 to get the actual area. Okay, this should be 340. So these are the two values of x. So x should be 10. So the number of rows is equal to 10. Now let us read question number 6. Question number 6 says, Joseph and Kuntal work in a factory. Joseph takes 5 minutes less time than Kuntal to make a product. Joseph makes 6 products more than Kuntal while working for 6 hours. Let us write by calculating the number of products Kuntal make during that time. Okay. Let If Kuntal takes t minute to make a product, Joseph take t minus 5 minute to make a product. Okay. Now therefore in 6 hours Kuntal makes okay. So now friends, in 6 hours, that means 360 minute. So in 360 minute, Kunal makes 360 by t number of products, and similarly in 6 hours Joseph can make, okay, Joseph takes t minus 5 minute to make one product, so he will take 1 minute to make 1 by t minus 5 products, and in 360 minute he will produce 360 by t minus 5 number of products. So these are the number of products they make in 6 hours, and according to our given question, the difference between these two numbers is 6. Joseph makes 6 products more than Kuntal in 6 hours. So we have to write the equation. Okay. So this is our equation. Now we have to solve it for t. If we take 360 common, it becomes 1 by t minus 5 minus 1 by t equal to 6. Or if we take 360 to the right side and subtract 1 by t from it, we will get now Therefore, Kuntol takes 20 minutes to make one product. Therefore, in 6 hours he will make 18 products. So this is our answer. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you have any question or doubt, you can put that in the comment section, and if you find my video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. It will be a great help for me. Thank you.